Now let's do the another things. The teacher repo. Now what I'm going to do this. I'm going to do the we have complete the list. Okay, we have to do the list also. Well, so what I'm going to do the list. I'm going to write student this one. You have to copy this, paste it over here. Here also you have to do it as a teacher report. Get teachers. This one also teacher. Okay, this one should be teacher. Here also teacher DQ. The teacher DQ. Teacher list. Right. This one I'm going to make as get teachers. This teacher. Okay. Now this one also the model is a teacher model. The teacher. This all things you have to make it as teacher, 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 teacher. All student record you have to make it as teacher. This is teacher DTO. Right? This is a teacher. You have to write teacher. So teacher. This one you have to make it as teacher, teacher ID, get teacher name. Right. Now the list, teacher DTO list dot add teacher DTO. The list you have to put it here. That's it. That's the simple stuff you have to write it. Simple. Okay. Right. Now we have done the get all. We have add the teacher and view the teacher. Let's check it the endpoints. So let's make it as this one. Teacher save method body. Here your teacher name. You have got the API. You have to do it. DTO. Sorry, teacher name, address, phone. We have to make a teacher. Teacher. You have to write Steve. India makes a keep as India. Something UAE. Which is at Dubai. You have to write Dubai. Save button. Sorry, we haven't run the server yet. That's why it's. If you get any error, Postman, the connection refuse problem, you have to run the server. I have done it. I haven't executed the program yet. So sorry. Now this one we just copied. We just make comment it, run it. Let's run it. Alright. The problem is here. What's the problem is you just understand what is the problem here. The bean class, we are not provided service annotation. Because if you are aware to the annotation, the bean class means here the service class. IMPL. You forgot to put it service. This service annotation teachers. You forgot to put it. If you have not put it, it's take care of. Okay, this is the bean class. After that class, you have a annotation service. Now again you have to run the code. Now it's working. If the error is coming, first you have to read the error, then only you get the solution. Some other students are not reading the error. Keep on comment me, I get the error. Now here we have to click save button. The endpoint, some other endpoint teacher. Okay, endpoint the problem. Teacher. So teacher save. Still it's working for me. Here another teacher I'm going to say Rajesh UK. Click save. Rajesh is saved. Now you have to make the get this data, get our teachers. Get the data. See, it's working perfectly well. What I we are tried, we are working perfectly well. Okay. Now let's continue the another operation which is a edit and delete operations. Okay, we have to do the edit and delete operations. Right. Now let's back it over student teachers controller. We have to uncomment it. Control plus forward slash. You have to comment and uncomment it using the IntelliJ idea. You have to use the comment and uncomment using the forward slash. Right. Now after that, what you are going to see here, put method is update teacher service. Is a update teacher. Then the record is going teacher updates a teacher update to this method. Teacher update DTO to the object this one. Pass it over here. Teacher update. You have to write this one. Teacher name. Go here. Click on this. It implemented. Here we have to write this one. Update this. Copy this. Paste it over here. You have to check it through the report. Teacher's report. Accessed by the teacher update. Okay, first you have to check whether teacher is exist or not. Get teacher's ID. The teachers exist. What I'm going to do is the teacher is. What happened? Get teacher ID. Teachers exist. You have to type this one. This here. Right. Here this one teacher repo. You have to communicate with the model to get the data. So here teacher. This also teacher repo. You have to teacher. You have to call this here set. Teacher set. Teacher name. Teacher set phone number. You have this one teacher update. Date update. Get teacher name. Right. So this one we have to call it as here teacher. So you have to bracket, you're missing one bracket. Teacher repo, you have to save this object, you have to call it. That's it. Get teacher. Teacher ID not found. Right, so already we have done the things. These all things I already explained in while doing the student part. First you have to check whether the teacher is exist or not. If it is exist, so you have to get the ID. What's the ID is coming here. After that ID, based on the ID, you have to make the changes, and again you have to click response button. Here we have save. It will be updated. Okay, this is not a we are not going to add the new record. The existing record we are going to update. So this is a thing you have to do it. Right. Now after that, what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a delete section of the programming. Delete section. So the delete section, delete. The API is coming here. This is delete. So delete teacher. So delete teacher. Update teacher. the delete teacher. The ID is coming. Delete teacher. Teacher service. Delete teacher. Then the request is coming this way. Delete teacher. Go to over here. Get this one. Implement the delete method. First you have to check whether the teacher is exist or not. If the teacher existed, delete the entire row. Copy this, paste it over here. Just check whether its teachers exist or not. First you have to check the teachers, but the ID is coming here. The teacher's IDs exist. So here the repo, there is a method called exist by ID. If the IDs exist, delete the teacher record. Okay. Otherwise the teacher record is not, ID is not matched, teacher ID not found. The simple way to do the program. Okay, this is a very simple way to do the program. Very simple. Now let's run the check. Here was some problem with the null. Right. Now let's check. What's the error? Tomcat not started again running. Okay, now started. Now you can see here this one started. Now let's check it. Okay, now here started successfully. Now let's test it. Right. So here what I'm going to do is here go over here. This is a put request when you update the record. Right. So body. So where's my add the data? So update data. So student update. Okay. Here I'm going to teacher update. Teacher updates हो गया था API. So teacher name. This one should be the teacher ID. Oh, let's check it. The API what would be done it. Teacher ID. So here teacher ID, teacher name. Teacher ID, teacher name. James. So here we have a what's the fields ID of the teacher. The teachers. Steve. One Steve. One Steve. I'm going to make it as Steve. Jim. Address and UI to UK. Okay. Now click send button. Here it's working. It's updated. Now let me check it. Here it's working. It's okay. It's okay. Successful. Now I want to update, delete the records of the teacher. So we have to make as delete just. You have to update delete by the ID, which is this record. I'm going to delete one. Click delete button. Record has been deleted. Now you can go over here, refresh it. Again, your teacher here. Only one record left. Now your teacher model is successfully we done the teacher's model. Right, we have successfully done the teacher's model. Now we have understand that we already done the two models, teachers and student. Let me do the batch part. and enrollment part, everything using the relationship in my next video tutorial. Thank you for